Here's a couple of pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. As you can see, it's black potch. Mixed with black potch, rules in millimetres, and material's been wetted. How far the colour goes, if it does, or whether it's that way, it's hard to tell, but possibly it goes that way, I think. The other piece looks like it goes under here, maybe orientated across here as well. So that might be a nice stone there. I can't guarantee it. Here's what it is, the rest looks like potch. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.